Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy and completely free way to change the sky in any of your photo using Nano Banana. It's Google latest AI feature inside Gemini. This tool lets you edit photo instantly just by writing a simple prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it on your browser or open it through the app like this and then log in with your Google account. And once you're inside, just tap on create image, or you can also go to tool sections and then create images like this. This tool is powered by Nano Banana. This is the brand new feature that makes editing super quick and simple. And now just upload the photo that you want to edit. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just upload your photo. And then just type a prompt. For example, I will change the sky into a beautiful orange sunset. So I will just type my prompt like this. For example like this, and then just hit generate. And okay, like this, just like that, Nano Banana will transform your photo. And honestly, the result, it looks incredible. And next, let's try with another photo. I will upload it a photo like this. Like this, and then I will change the sky into a cloudy. So I will type my prompt like this. And okay, like this, now you will see a completely new mood for your photo. It's all done automatically. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? With Nano Banana, you can completely transform the sky in your photo, whether you want a dramatic sunset or a moody cloudy day. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.